Do you believe in the saying that you are what you eat? It basically means that the food that you consume directly affects how you think, how you look, your physical attributes, basta your holistic well-being. Well, I also believe that, and I just came out from a 3-day deep cleanse from Pillow Bread PH, 3-day fat burn and digestive reset cleanse, as they call it. And yeah, so let me share what I experienced during those 3 amazing days. Actually, it debunked a lot of myths and fears. Kasi ilang beses na akong nag-detox from the past. And the experience ko yung low energy, sluggish, brain fog, and those things. But yeah, number 1, na I had surprisingly high energy during those days. Na every morning, papakiramdaman ko yung sarili ko because it was recommended also na magkaroon lang ng light workouts sa mga unang araw. But you know what? I did sa day 1 ko, I had 2 workouts that day. Number 1, I had my running assignment done. And second, I had strength and conditioning. So imagine that, I had my usual quick visits and trips to the gym. And the day 2, I had yoga. I had 2 back-to-back classes in yoga. And I ran yung umagang yun ng day 2. And then day 3, I had strength and conditioning. So, grabe talaga. I had high energy. Not just energy, but high. Second is, a clean skin. Clean and clear skin. I intentionally did not perform or did not do my skin regimen every night because tinatamad ako and I just really wanted to see if it's working because yun ang sinasabi nila, skin appearance. During your 3-day detox, you have no processed food, junk food, no high saturated fats, no processed sugar and those things, no oil. So imagine, ano yung ibibigay nun para sa skin mo? And that was exactly I experienced. I had clear skin and I felt so hydrated, guys.